I am Sreekrishnan TR. I am from Chennai. I have been trading Bank Nifty and Nifty options for the past 3 years. Um, I attended option profile workshop in Jan 2020 after receiving exceptional reviews from the early participant. Also, the quality of content in his YouTube channel were very good. So this convinced me to take his workshop. The main learning from the workshop would be to create consistent income option profiles. Either it could be a monthly or weekly, and also have a structured and efficient way to adjust these positions whenever the trade goes against you. After the workshop, I did implement all the profiles that were taught, and despite the nature of the market nowadays, we could still adjust and make money. There is no denying that. The best part of the workshop, I would say, is definitely getting to know like-minded traders who had attended the workshop earlier. So through Telegram, of course, you will be included into a group, and also the support rendered by Raj on regular basis is very good. So even recently he had launched the DC system, which is also quite good, and the workshop participants were able to implement the same system. So I would definitely say that this is one of the best workshops I had the opportunity to attend. Thank you.